going on, guys? So Dad's front yard basher has finally turned up. This is a little clone of the HBX 16889 monster truck. This is a brushed version. Let's get straight into it, see what we get in the box, and then take it out the front for a little test. As always, you'll have an instruction book in there. And as you can see, you do get some stickers, which is very cool. An entire parts list. And I think on the other side, on the next couple of pages here, you've got optional parts here. Can't do anything without a controller. So you've got throttle and reverse, steering, switches and dials up here, which is your steering trim, speed switch, so you can actually turn the speed up or down, steering, reverse, and then your on and off switch. The controller itself only takes 2 AA's. So it looks like they give you a spare set of body clips, which is always handy. Behind there is the lights. I think they just go in the front and they plug in straight to your receiver combo. Got a few zip ties in there, and then you've got a USB charger for the lithium battery. And this is the truck itself. Awesome little 1/16 scale monster truck. So the first thing you notice is the shocks. They're not oil filled, but it should be okay for just a little front yard basher. If it is really bad or just uncontrollable with the spring shocks, I can always put a set of oil filled shocks on there. So you've got your 3-in-1 ESC and receiver combo. Got a little 390 brushed motor there. That's the on and off button there, I think. Yep. You got little lithium battery, 7.4 volt, 800 milliamp lithium ion battery. You've got your steering servo there. Got full differentials, front and back. It's a little bit hard to see in there, but there's a steel center drive shaft. As you can see, they are only plastic CVDs and plastic dog bones in the rear, but I've had some nice strong plastic drive shafts now, so I'm not too worried. If we keep this brushed, it should last a long time. So all I have to do is charge up the battery, stick the stickers on the car, and put the lights in. Then we can take it out for a bit of a bash. And that is the little light kit all set up. It plugs into the 3-in-1 board there. You double side tape that little motherboard, chipboard little thing on there, and they go through the little hole there. Beautiful. Right guys, Dad is on the trigger first, so let's see how this thing goes. Oh, looks cool. Nice, that was better.
Steering's pretty
touchy. Yeah, I thought that. Alright, Dad's saying that the steering is quite touchy. You still got to get used to the little ramps as well. Oh, good brakes. Pretty fast, might have to get the GPS out. Not quite a wheelie. Yeah. Nice. Alright guys, I'm going to give it a quick little go, see what I think. I can tell the steering is very touchy right now. Oh, there's a little delay in the throttle, I think. we go, I'm wet. Whoa. Definitely a delay somewhere in the throttle. Oh, and the steering's very touchy. It's quite powerful. Oh, not enough power to do a backflip though. Oh, just. I think this might have kind of a drag brake. Not sure. The differentials seem quite weak as well. Either no oil or very thin oil in the differentials. As soon as you come off the throttle, it wants to dip the nose down. Shouldn't have tried that. Oh, she flips. Oh, there we go, backflip. So guys, this is one of the hardest cars I've ever tried to drift. I think the problem is the front differentials. If you can see that, how easy it is to spin the differentials. I'm gonna have to put some thicker oil in there if I actually want to drift this properly, because it's extremely hard at the moment. And it definitely has a type of drag brake, I'm noticing. Yeah, as soon as I come off the throttle. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. The diff, as soon as the diff gives way, one wheel, it starts spinning out. So that didn't really last that long, maybe 15 minutes, but that was pretty much full throttle the whole time. I mean, not the whole time, but it was quite a lot of full throttle. For $50 Australian, it's quite a tough little car. Haven't broken anything. Nothing's come loose as of yet. No drive shafts are broken, that's really good. So yeah guys, this is definitely worth the money that you pay. If you can find them elsewhere for around about the $50 mark Australian. The steering is a little bit touchy and the very slight delay in the throttle. This is not really my car anyway, so yeah, as long as Dad likes it, as long as he has a little bit of fun with it, that's all that matters. We'll definitely get these little 1/16 buggies and monster trucks out again. We might set up a little race course in the front yard here, or go to my normal spot and set up a little race course with the cones and see what these can do. All right guys, cheers, catch us in the next video, and as always, stay safe. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget, leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more, and feel free to leave any comments or questions down below.